I wanted to show how easy it is to deploy an application to production using Nanobox. I have a Phoenix application here that I am done developing and I'm ready to take live. Nanobox will use the same configuration file that it used when creating my local development environment to provision my production infrastructure. I've specified that I need the Elixir engine with Nginx and Node.js. I also have a Postgres database, and I've added a web component with a start command to start my application in production. I've already added AWS and DigitalOcean as hosting providers, so now I'm going to create a new app. I'll give it a name, and I'll use DigitalOcean as my provider. I can take a quick look at the server that Nanobox is going to order for me, and then I'll go ahead and create my app. What Nanobox is going to do is communicate with DigitalOcean, and it's going to provision an infrastructure for me. It's going to order a server, and then it's going to do all of the configuration on that server so that I don't have to worry about it. It's going to set up firewalls and networking. It's going to make sure all the packages are up to date. Things that may normally take hours or even days to do when setting up a new server to run an application. After it's done installing and configuring the server, what it's going to do is install some of our platform components onto that server. We have created a message bus, a load balancer, and a proxy. We have a log aggregator, things that are going to be useful to me when managing my application on Nanobox. Perfect. My application was created successfully, and now I can deploy my code. To deploy my code, I need to link my local codebase to my new application. I do this with Nanobox remote add demo, the name of the app. Now I can simply Nanobox deploy to deploy my code to that app. What Nanobox is going to do is build my code locally and then sync it to the live application. This will take about 2 minutes. My code has successfully been deployed to Nanobox. So what Nanobox is going to do now is read my box file and configure my server to run my application. It's going to create and install a Postgres database. It's going to create a web server using Nginx and run my start command as specified in the box file. And it's going to make sure I have everything I need, such as Elixir and Node.js and whatever else I specified in the box file that my application needed to run. Once everything is complete, it's going to start my application for me and I'll be able to view it live. Great, my code has been deployed and my application is now live. If I come check it out, I should have a new Phoenix application running in production with Nanobox on DigitalOcean. A process that normally can take hours or even days has taken me less than 10 minutes.